Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this mango salad. This is a must-have summer salad. It's giving island vibes, summer vibes. You get that balance of sweet, crispy, and all that goodness, all the nutritional goodness that you need. So I cannot wait to show you how to make this low carb salad with a vinaigrette dressing. So with that being said, let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. So you're going to need some mango, which is pretty much the star of the show. I do recommend using fresh mango. Don't use frozen mango because that is going to be quite waterlogged and I feel it will spoil the recipe. So always use fresh, sweet mango if possible. You're also going to need some lettuce as well. In terms of the lettuce, you can use any type of lettuce. I have here some iceberg lettuce that I just pretty much chopped up, but any type of lettuce will work for the recipe. You're also going to need some cucumbers. I have the cucumber just sliced up and halved. I also have some bell pepper as well. In terms of bell pepper, any color will do. I just stick to the basic green and red because that is what I have to hand. Some red onions. I also have balsamic vinegar, some soy sauce or soy sauce as some people call it, some thyme, some extra virgin olive oil, garlic pepper. So garlic pepper, I actually purchased garlic pepper. So what it is, for those who don't know, it's just a combination of garlic with black pepper, and I believe it might have some red bell pepper minced in there as well. So if you don't have that, you can just combine about maybe a teaspoon of both to substitute for that. And I also have some shadow benny as well, also known as spirit weed, and I love to add that to my salad. So the first thing I like to do is I like to prepare the dressing. So as you can see, I have a small bowl here and I'm going to add the extra virgin olive oil, the balsamic vinegar, the soy or soy sauce as some people call it, the garlic pepper, followed by the thyme. And then I'm just going to get a small spoon just to mix it together and just put it to the side. So now it's time to prepare the actual salad. So I have a large bowl here and I'm just going to add the lettuce, the bell peppers, the cucumber, mango, red onions, and the shadow benny. Next thing I'm going to do now is to grab some tongs, or you can use a spoon if you want to, and we're just going to fold in the ingredients so they're nicely combined together. So the last thing we need to do now is to drizzle that dressing all over our salad. So then we can just take either some tongs or a large spoon just to fold in and completely coat the ingredients that we prepped to make our salad. And that is how you make a mango salad. Really simple, perfect for weight loss, giving that summer vibe, low carb salad bowl that you definitely need to try. Those of you who are interested, I do have a 3-day meal plan guide and I will put the QR code in the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.